to my channel. It has been a minute since I recorded and edited video. I cannot explain how crazy it's been. Honestly, that's like a video for another time, not even as a narration. It has been absolutely crazy. And of course, I'm not even talking about lockdown, but I definitely had part of my own lockdown, which was just anyways. Let's just get on with that. That's going to be a completely different video, I think. So basically now I am doing a print presence plan with me. I completely forgot the name of it. Print presence plan with me using this beautiful kit from Planning Choco, and it's called Lazy Day. Now, as you can see, I've put down my date covers, and then because I got lazy, I didn't want to find something to cut that off. I used my nails to do it, and it was just not nice. I didn't like the way it turned out in the end because I kind of really messed up that cut. So I do go in and put some stickers over it to cover that. But that will happen near the end when I see just how bad it is. So after that, I actually put down the beautiful full boxes, and it's just really lovely and warm, and it's a cup of coffee and an iPad and books with some cookies on the side. And of course, gaming. And I've just been gaming like crazy lately, and I love it. It just makes me feel so content to do something that's just for me, and that's not common nowadays. No, it's not. Not with the children. So then, of course, after I put down those full boxes, I put down the half boxes, and immediately under it, you might notice there's some white space. So I actually go in with some of the washi that's provided. Some of it is scalloped and some of it is just straight across. It's just cut straight. So I use that, and I actually really like the look of it. When you pay attention, you don't really notice it, but when you look, you're like, oh, look, something a little extra. And I just really like the little extra detail that came with it. Now, this particular week was rather boring, which is why I went with this particular kit. On the side notes, of course, I've put I need to shop online, and then I put a little Ramona and Friends sticker. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I put flags down. And then on Monday and Wednesday, I put down that planner girl with little fox stickers. On Tuesday, I take a sticker from a BeaYoutiful kit that I used in the past. And I also put down another stick from the same kit. The sticker down from the same kit down on Thursday. So it's to work on emails, orders, do homeschooling, some house cleaning, which is desperate. And then on Friday, I put down a PlayStation controller that's available from my shop. And then Saturday, Sunday, I just put down Penny, Netflix, and chillax because it was just a relaxing weekend. And it was just one of those weekends where you binge eat with your significant other, cuddling in bed, you give your kids all the cuddles. It was just a great weekend. And that's pretty much it for this week. Sorry about the nails. I forgot to put paint on them. But that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like what you saw. If you do, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit subscribe because I promise one is coming out next week. And that's it. Bye.